Hello friends. Welcome to our channel, Magnum Education Buzz. Let's start the video.
Hi kids! Welcome to our fun learning video. Today we will learn about 20 transport vehicles, the things that help us go from one place to another. Let's start. This is a bus. A bus is used to carry many people from one place to another. This is a bus. This is a car. A car is used for traveling with our family. This is a car. This is a bicycle. A bicycle is used for short rides and keeping us healthy. This is a bicycle. This is a motorcycle. A motorcycle is used for fast travel on the road. This is a motorcycle. This is a train. A train is used to travel long distances on tracks. This is a train. This is an airplane. An airplane is used to fly high in the sky and go far away. This is an airplane. This is a helicopter. A helicopter is used to fly up and down and rescue people. This is a helicopter. This is a ship. A ship is used to travel across oceans and seas. This is a ship. This is a boat. A boat is used to ride on rivers and lakes. This is a boat. This is a truck. A truck is used to carry goods and heavy things. This is a truck. This is a van. A van is used to carry people or goods in the city. This is a van. This is an ambulance. An ambulance is used to take sick people to the hospital quickly. This is an ambulance. This is a fire truck. A fire truck is used to put out fires and save lives. This is a fire truck. This is a police car. A police car is used by police officers to catch bad people and keep us safe. This is a police car. This is a tractor. A tractor is used on farms to help farmers grow crops. This is a tractor. This is a scooter. A scooter is used for short and fun city rides. This is a scooter. This is a subway train. A subway train is used to travel underground in big cities. This is a subway train. This is a rocket. A rocket is used to go to space and explore the stars. This is a rocket. This is a cable car. A cable car is used to travel up and down mountains. This is a cable car. This is a hot air balloon. A hot air balloon is used for fun rides high up in the sky. This is a hot air balloon. Wow! That was so much fun! We learned 20 transport vehicles today, from cars and buses to rockets and balloons. Which one is your favorite? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more fun learning videos. See you next time, kids.